Everything you use today, from your phone to modern medicine, was secretly invented in one place thousands of years ago. We're counting down the 10 most insane inventions from ancient India that literally built the world you live in. You will not believe number 1. Kicking things off at number 10, mass production. Imagine wanting shiny jewels, but it takes forever to polish just one. Well, way back in the 10th century BCE they invented tumble polishing, literally just rolling rocks in a bucket with sand. This crazy simple idea meant everyone could get polished beads, not just the super rich. They were mass producing before it was cool. Coming in at number 9, we have 3D printing, but for metal. Over 5,000 years ago, they were making perfect bronze statues using lost wax casting. They'd make a wax statue, cover it in clay, melt the wax, and bam! A perfect mold. This statue of the dancing girl was made with this tech, and it looks so alive, it's insane. For number 8, they invented a real-life weather app. In the 4th century BCE, they weren't just hoping for rain, they measured it with rain gauges. They used this data to predict how much food they'd have, set taxes, and stop famines before they even started. They were using big data to run the entire country. This next one at number 7 is impossible. I'm giving you a challenge. Make a hollow metal ball with no seams. You can't. But they did. In the 16th century, they created these perfect, seamless globes that stumped modern scientists for decades. We still don't know exactly how they did it. How is that even real? At number 6, they basically invented the entire banking system. This ancient book, the Arthashastra, laid out the rules for loans, interest rates, and even creating checks called hundis. You could send money across the entire country without ever touching a coin. They had wire transfers before wires even existed. Number 5 is an invention that will literally change your life: yoga. We think of it as a workout, but thousands of years ago they designed it as the ultimate life hack for your brain. The sage Patanjali wrote the instruction manual to connect your mind and body to crush stress and find total peace. It's a superpower for your mind. At number 4, we have the most legendary metal ever created, Wootz steel. This stuff was so strong it was basically vibranium. They cooked iron and carbon in a sealed pot to make this ultra-strong super steel. This is the exact metal used to make the legendary Damascus blades that could supposedly cut through anything. Anything! Get ready for number 3, because this is insane. Imagine going blind and thinking it's over. But then a surgeon named Sushruta comes along and invents cataract surgery. He used a special needle to literally push the bad stuff out of your eye and give you your sight back. People were going from blind to seeing in minutes. This surgeon Sushruta is so incredible he's on the list twice. At number 2, he invented plastic surgery. If you lost your nose, he would take skin from your forehead and build you a brand new one. This technique is so good, we literally still use the same basic idea in plastic surgery today. This guy was a real-life superhero, and the number 1 most important invention that makes your entire life possible is the number 0. I am not kidding. Before this, 0 wasn't even a real number. The scholar Brahmagupta figured out the rules for 0, which created the decimal system that runs every single computer, phone, and video game on the planet. Without this one invention, you wouldn't even be watching this video. So there you have it. Modern life was basically built by these ancient inventors. Everything from the numbers on your screen to the surgery that saves lives. Which one of these completely blew your mind? Tell me in the comments below. And if you want to see more insane videos like this, subscribe right now. Don't miss the next one.